Oh, look here. You are here. And that's the route.
Right, we're on a Boxing Day hike today, Kinver Edge. So, getting there, getting some exercise. Yeah, lovely around here, isn't it? Yeah, definitely try and push through an house around here if you can.
So basically, the estate.
Oh, we'll just loop back to the car park that way.
And how did you find this walk? Just
Found it on that,
local walks, is it?
just on that OS maps, to be honest. Two miles into it now, so a couple of miles to go. Beautiful, I need to see it clear, man. Superb.
Oh, that little. Oh, it's like a beret. It's an army beret.
Yeah. Yes, that's Brown Clee Hill and Tiiterstone Clee over there, the distance.
Yes.
Oh, so there we go then, summit to Kinver Edge. Really nice day, really nice walk.
That was sly.
Matthew's spotted a shortcut.
So,
Right. Bit of a turkey sandwich, mate.
oh, then lunchtime.
I'll tell you what we haven't got today though.
Oh, the jammy dodger.
Yeah, no jammy dodgers today.
think that's Turner's Hill over there. I thought it was the Wrekin, but I'm sure in the distance that's Turner's Hill in the West Midlands. It's alright. Beautiful, mate. There it is. You still considering it though?
Could do it, it's just a fucking mortgage rate. For it, like if there's another position, you'd be able to walk into it. I was like, oh, brilliant, that's so. And I thought about it, and do I even want that one? Much more stress on me.
Yeah, so glad I got out today. Walk off some of that crap I ate yesterday. Yeah. Really nice. Yeah, so just past that Trig point apparently dates back to the Iron Age tribes, 1200 BC, some kind of fort for defence there. Yeah, so there's the rock houses behind. People lived in there till the 60s apparently. But now it's just National Trust and a tea house. It dates back to the 1700s apparently, that does. People started living in them. That's not bad, is it? 4.3 miles.
Yeah, happy with it.
Yeah, so that's the rock houses there. Obviously part of the National Trust. So it's closed today. Well, that's it then, all done with another one, Kinver Edge. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And thanks for watching. See you next time, guys. What's his name? Frodo Baggins, is it? Or
Frodo Baggins.
Reckon he'll come running out in a minute. I'm going on an adventure. That's what he said. Is that nice then? Big Bird from Sesame Street.